Once your message or event is ready to go out to your list of recipients, this send screen is where you decide who gets it and when. First, pick who receives this. Click the plus button here, and you can choose one or more of your contact lists. Let's pick a couple. If the same person happens to be on both of these lists, don't worry. They'll only get this message once. Formtabulous automatically removes duplicates across your selected lists, so nobody ends up with 2 copies in their inbox. Most people just click send immediately. It goes out right away to everyone on the list you picked. Nice and simple. But let's look at the other option, because there's a lot more you can do with it. Choosing schedule for later opens up a few more choices. You can pick an exact date and time for your message to go out. As soon as you switch to schedule, the calendar pops open automatically. Pick a date, let's go a few days out, not today, and choose a time from the drop-down. Everything is based on your own local time zone, so there's no guessing what time it'll actually land. If this is something you send regularly, a weekly reminder, a monthly update, turn on repeat, and a whole new set of options opens up. Choose how often, weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. If you're sending weekly or bi-weekly, pick which day of the week it should go out on. You can set when this recurring send starts, and if you want, set an end date or a maximum number of times it repeats. Leave ends off, and it'll just keep going until you turn it off yourself. As you set all this up, Formtabulous shows you exactly which dates this message will actually go out on, so there's never any guessing. Once everything looks right, click schedule, and you're done. This message will now go out automatically on the schedule you just built.